Welcome to the Prompt Index, the podcast where we unpack the latest AI research with stories, implications, and practical takeaways. Today, we dive into scaffolding metacognition in programming education, a study that asks how student AI interactions shape the thinking habits we want in learners, not just their code. The core problem is clear. Novice programmers can get instant AI help, but does that support or short-circuit metacognition, planning, monitoring, and evaluating their own thinking? The researchers tackle this by looking at real student AI dialogues from a 3-year University Python course in Japan, totaling over 10,000 interactions. They paired dialogue logs with student and educator surveys to map prompts and AI responses onto metacognitive phases and strategies. Methodologically, they used a mixed methods design, a thematic analysis of 2,782 sampled dialogues across 4 course offerings, plus coding schemes that separate prompts, planning, monitoring, evaluation from AI outputs, exact solution, steps to fix issues, explanations, example code, etc. They also gathered pre- and post-questionnaires from students and educators to triangulate perceptions and pedagogical value. What did they find? In terms of metacognitive engagement, RQ1, students mostly used AI during monitoring, debugging, fixing errors, verifying correctness, while planning and evaluation prompts were less common. AI responses reflected this. In planning, the AI often produced example code or direct solutions. In monitoring, the AI provided runnable code and fixed steps. In evaluation, it shifted toward explanations and justifications. Across phases, however, there were reliability risks, notably in monitoring, where patch-first edits could introduce new errors, and a tendency for metacognitive cycles to remain fragmented. Overall, planning and evaluation prompts were rated as more helpful for learning than monitoring. Student and educator perspectives, RQ2, RQ3, echoed mixed feelings. AI is valued for immediacy, clarity, and exposure to multiple approaches, but concerns about accuracy, outdated or irrelevant guidance, and potential metacognitive laziness persist. Educators favored indirect scaffolding and predefined structured prompts, with dashboards and limits on aid to preserve problem-solving autonomy, RQ4. From these insights, the authors outline design implications. Embed metacognitive scaffolds that guide planning, monitoring, and evaluation. Promote structured prompting and prompt chaining. Favor hints, Socratic questioning, and gradual fading of help, and provide transparency and instructor-controlled boundaries. The aim is to transform AI from a quick fix into a partner that sustains self-regulated learning in programming. Limitations include a single course context and evolving model capabilities. Future work calls for broader courses, languages, and multimodal data to validate and extend the design space. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.